Yeah, what's going on? So today we have a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is Woman's Entitlement Pushes Police to the Edge. Let's get into the video.
On January 9, 2024, an officer stopped a vehicle after observing the occupants not wearing seatbelts.
Can you roll on the back window for me, please? Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. I just can't see that because of the tint.
Sorry.
You have your driver's license on you?
No, I don't.
What? Do you have a good driver's license?
No, I don't.
Why are these kids?
Because we having a family emergency. I'm supposed to meet my auntie right here. She's really at the Publix parking lot.
All right. Do you have an ID card on you?
No. Can I call her? She's right there.
Well, let's work on getting all your information and everything first.
Step out. Sorry.
What's that?
You step out?
No. What's your first name?
Jasmine.
You had to think about that?
No. Auntie Keisha, I'm right here by Publix parking lot.
Hang up the phone and talk with me right now.
I'm not making you pull over for me.
Jasmine.
Yes, I'm talking to you. I know, sir.
Okay, so you need to focus on me and not all that. So hang up the phone and talk with me right now. Spell your first name for me.
Okay, sir. Can you talk real quick?
Yeah, hop on out the car for me. Hop on out the car and we'll talk back here.
Oh yeah, this about to go bad.
Yeah, back here.
So I don't have a license. I don't want to be driving. So
Okay.
you know. But I'm just trying to get my kids to the Airbnb we just checked into. So you know.
Are you Jasmine?
Yes.
Or you've hesitated on it twice now,
No, I am Jasmine.
You're just nervous because you know you don't have a good license?
Yes.
You're being up front. That's half the
Yes.
battle. How bad is your license?
I'm not supposed to be driving, but I'm just trying to get my kids literally.
I mean, are you suspended, canceled, revoked?
suspended? Maybe.
Are you habitual?
I think so. Maybe. I don't
I think it
know.
might be habitual.
Yeah, but I just, sir, I just don't want to go to jail today. I'm just trying to get my kids.
Well, I'm not trying to take one to jail in this weather unless I absolutely have to. I'll tell you that, okay?
Let's absolutely have to.
Like if I don't have a choice. Like there's certain things where I don't have a choice, right? But if I can figure out a way to not make that happen, I'll work with you. So like I said, I ain't trying to take someone to jail in this weather. Hey, come over here.
I know. I'm just getting my kids out.
No, let them stay in the car for now.
Yeah,
Yeah, let them, they'll be safer in there anyway. Yeah, hop.
It's two police. I'm scared. I don't want to go to jail, sir.
You good? Hop back over here. You're being cool with me right now, and I feel like, you know, I'm being pretty cool with you, right?
But I just know I'm supposed
All
to
right,
be
so-
driving, and I'm not trying to go to jail.
I got you. No one wants to go to jail, right? But
Something ain't right. Nope. This is one of them scenarios where 2 + 2 is equaling 7. Something ain't right, man. 2 + 2 is supposed to equal 4. But with this video right here, it's equaling 7. Something is not right. She hesitant with the name. She moving around trying to get the kids out. Do you got a warrant or something? I think it's something a lot more important, because if you're just driving with a suspended license or whatever, Florida, it's kind of lenient. Like, I don't think he would take you to jail for that. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. You know, I mean, the car might get impounded or something. Yeah, but, you know, or somebody gonna have to come pick it up with a valid license or whatever the case may be. But I don't know. There's more to this story.
like I said, it's if I can figure out any way to make sure that doesn't have to happen, I'll facilitate that because I'm not trying to take someone to jail in this weather.
Okay.
All right? But like I said, I'm not going to make any promises and tell you like I'm not going to, because there's certain charges that I don't have a choice with it, right?
Okay.
But I don't even know if that's the case yet. First, I have to figure out who you are. So, Jasmine, spell your first name for me.
Jasmine.
Jasmine.
Yes. Can you just please let me with a warning, sir? Hello? Yeah, I'm right here on Central, right on the side of Publix.
10-16, send me another unit non-emergency.
I'm right here on Central. You said what, sir?
What's your social?
I'm right here on Central, right on Central. It's right on the side of Publix, literally.
What's the zip code?
33712. So what's the... Hold on, Betty. I'm gonna grab this. Yeah. I'm sorry. It's right here. It's right there.
How old's the youngest? How old is she?
She's 2.
She's 2.
Why you need him, sir?
Because you're acting really nervous, and it's making me
I'm
nervous.
not trying to be nervous. I'm sorry.
So I'm gonna have them stand by with you while I check everything Because you're making me...
I'm sorry.
You're making me real nervous the way that you're acting. I just don't want you doing anything silly, okay?
I'm not trying to do anything silly.
All right, because you can't stop moving around, and it took me like 5 times to get your name out of you, so well, like I said, I've been pretty cool with you, right?
Yes.
All right, so like I said, try and calm down and just hang tight for a minute while I look and see how bad your license actually is. Stay away from the car for now, all right?
Man, they riding around in the nice whips in Florida, boy. Where they at? Miami or something? Ooh.
Jasmine, stop moving around and just stand by with the other officer. Come on. All right, Jasmine. We're not gonna keep playing this back and forth game.
Okay, I'm not here, so I'm sorry.
Put the kid down in the car, and we're gonna go in handcuffs for now because you're making me hella nervous.
I don't want to
Don't put your baby in the middle of this.
I'm not. I'm just gonna stand here. I'm standing right here, sir.
But you haven't been listening.
So this is where we're at now. We need to put the kid back down in the car. You're gonna go in handcuffs, Jasmine. Jasmine, if you don't listen to what I'm doing, you're going to go to jail.
Jesus Christ. I'm going to cross me.
Right here, Jasmine. No, not around this way. This side right here where they were before.
Why are you putting me in handcuffs for, though?
Jasmine.
I'm not doing anything.
You're not here to ask questions. Do what he tells you, then we'll talk with you.
Okay, can I go to my family get here for my kids?
No. You're about to make the situation way worse for
I'm not
yourself.
doing anything,
And I don't want you to put your kid in this. You're this close to facing a child neglect charge if you don't do what I'm telling you to do.
Give me the child.
Oh my God. Okay.
Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Put your hands behind your back. I'm
Why are
not
you
going to
being
tell you
rude?
again.
You're asking for me.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
Oh my God, I'm not doing anything, sir.
Did this to yourself.
I didn't do anything. I'm just
He
sitting
has
right
been asking
here.
you to talk to you the entire time to listen.
Y'all making me nervous, sir.
I've been nothing but polite with you. You have done nothing but not listening to me the entire time I've been out with you. I have done my darndest to avoid this, but you have put me in a position where I have no choice. I haven't even verified how bad your license is yet, but I'm going to go on a limb and say you probably already know that it's a felony, which is why you're acting like this. So now we're going to have a seat in the back of this cruiser while I confirm everything. No.
I just want to see what my
You
kids.
can put your shoes on.
I just want to see what
All
my
right.
kids.
Now you want to stand there.
Because you're not listening. You have yet to listen to a single thing I've told you to do this entire time. And I'm tired of playing games.
Sir, I just want to see what, please. Oh my God, I just want to see what my kids.
Oh,
Let me
now
see
you
it,
wanna
please.
see
I don't
it.
want to go in there. Just let me, please. Sir,
You do
I'm
not
not
listen.
trying to. I'm not trying.
Jasmine, if I have to tell you one more time, you're
Sir,
going
I
to
just
jail.
Okay. Oh my God, I just want to see my kids. That's fine with you?
In the car. And I'm not going to repeat myself again.
You have anything on you?
No.
Other
I
than
just want-
this?
Sir, please. I just want to stay away from my sisters, please. My kids are
If
in
I
the
have to
car.
repeat myself one more
I don't
time,
want to go
you're
through
going to
anything, sir.
jail.
I'm not trying to go to jail either.
All right, then have a seat in the car.
Can I just see my kids? I just want to look at my kids, please.
Get in the car, Jasmine.
I just want to see my kids.
Jasmine?
Okay? Oh my God, sir, you being like, I'm not trying to be difficult.
Well, you're doing a really good job at being difficult. Yeah,
Huh?
she's habitual, so she knew what time it was.
Habitual offender.
All right, so you stop. Do not put your legs out.
I'm not.
So you're habitual. You knew you were. That's why you're acting like this. So you're going to jail today. I don't have any
Okay,
choice.
That's fine. Can I just call my sister quick?
Yes. Where's your?
The man got it.
You still have it?
Yes.
All right.
The phone's up here.
Let me just hug out my kids.
No.
I can't hug my kids.
Stay in the car.
Sir, please. I just want to hug my kids. Yes, I do. I want to hug them, Elise.
How do you? Can you work back there?
Where are you at?
I'm literally in Clearwater. Bitch, I just left from Clearwater to get some food.
My little sister right now. My sister right there.
Your sister. Oh, this is your sister right here.
Yeah, well, that's one
Perfect.
of my sisters.
But that works. The kids can go with her.
Oh no, hold
How
on.
old is she?
She's 20.
She's 20.
Me.
Jasmine, no, sit down.
I'm not doing nothing, sir.
You're not listening. You've yet to listen.
Is she good to take the kids or not?
Okay, sir.
It's a
hold on.
yes or no question.
No, I'm trying to get my other sister. That's my god sister.
So you don't want her to have your children. You don't trust her with your children.
I'm trying to call my mom, sir, if you don't mind.
My priority is your kids. Right now, it doesn't seem like that's really your priority at all, which is the problem.
That's my priority. Can you tell her to come here?
No, if you don't want her to have your kids, there's no point in even being here.
I'm getting arrested.
Yes, I'm on the way. What the hell happened?
Jasmine, sit back down in the car.
I'm right here about Publix, and then he pulled me, and I'm trying to talk to him. He's trying to make him nervous. And then Briella's crying.
Okay, well, I'm on the way too.
Okay.
Perfect. All right. Take that. Have a seat back in the car.
Sir, I'm not doing nothing. I'm just sitting right here.
Exactly. That's what you need to do. Sitting down in the car. Right now, you're standing outside the door, even though I told you not to do that.
Why are you being so mean to me? I'm not doing
Because you're not listening.
I'm right here, but I'm not
So
doing
sit
nothing.
down.
Why are y'all being so rude?
This is you not listening.
Okay,
We're
no,
telling
I'm
you
right here.
to sit down.
Have a seat.
Why is the officers being so rude? You have been nothing but a freaking headache since he pulled you over. Starting with the ID. Starting off, this video is 13 minutes and we're 9 minutes and 20 seconds, and the whole time you have not listened one bit. And then you're gonna turn around and say, why are the officers being rude? You lucky they letting you make all these phone calls and stuff like that. Cause honestly, yo.
Sit down.
This is your problem, is you don't listen.
I'm not doing anything wrong, sir. You're being rude to me. I'm not doing nothing. I'm sitting
Because you're
right
not
here.
listening to a thing I tell you to do.
My
Get
kids
in the
are
car.
right here.
Get in the car, Jasmine, or I swear to you're gonna get an obstruction charge.
Oh my God, you're making it different for me. I'm not doing anything. Look, my baby is crying and stuff. I
3,
can't see my daughter. Look, she's right
2.
there. I can't see my daughter. She's right there.
Jasmine,
Please.
if I have to put you in this car, you're getting an obstruction charge.
Come here, mommy.
Jasmine,
Mommy.
put your leg in the car.
So I'm not doing anything.
You're not
please.
listening, Jasmine.
Mom, can I
All right,
just
that's
see
it.
my baby?
You're being charged with obstruction. Get
Oh
your
my
leg in
God,
the
I'm
car.
not doing nothing. Why are you being so rude to me?
Jasmine,
I'm not
get
even
in the
doing
stop.
Thank you.
What are
Finally.
you doing?
Jasmine, get in the car.
Stop. What are you doing? Why are you being swag? What is wrong with you? Stop.
Get in the car.
Okay.
In the car.
What is you doing, sir? I'm not doing nothing. Oh my God. What the hell is wrong
Can you
with
get around and pull her through? Stop.
Charges.
I'm not doing nothing. You being rude and aggressive for it. My daughter's right there. Get off of me.
Get
Get
in the car.
Oh God. What's up?
Resisting.
I'm not doing anything.
Stop
to you.
resisting.
Why are you telling me?
Stop resisting. Now you're being charged with escape.
Escape. I'm not even doing nothing. They're doing this to me. I'm not doing nothing to them.
Tango 16, we need more units out here.
Is she good?
Are you going to cooperate?
I'm not doing. You're being rude to me. I'm not doing anything to you.
Get away from the car. We'll figure it out in a minute when she stops acting this way. We're gonna figure it out. Everybody's fine.
Let her up off that ground.
You need shackles? I got them.
I can't stand the bystanders, bro. She's been nothing but a headache, and you got this guy talking about, let her off the ground, let her off the ground, and let her go. Let her. Like, shut up, bruh. Shut up, man. Cause if I'm the officer, I'm in the mood. What is that disorderly? Yeah. Shut up, man. Shut up. Stop yelling.
You grab it, I'll sit.
I'm trying to tell you, my daughter is crying and screaming. Y'all being so rude and aggressive.
All right.
Can't sit in the car.
Want 'em?
Simple. Like what? Simple. Sit in the
Sweep her out of
car.
here because she's going no matter what now. There's no thing around here.
I'm going regardless.
Yeah, now you're going with extra felonies.
I didn't do nothing to you, though. You're being aggressive to me. I'm just saying, let me get, exactly, that's what I'm saying. Let me see my kid.
On your butt.
Bro,
Up.
what? I can get by myself. You're being rude. You're manhandling me and shit.
Well, then do it on your own, and we don't have to do it, man.
Oh my God. Okay, stop pushing me. Okay.
So get in the car.
You're being respectful. I'm recording your ass.
It's all on body camera.
I don't care.
And their kids is gonna grow up the same way. This is their role model. Ain't this some crap?
So I gotta wait till my gun get here with my feet.
We got it.
No.
We'll talk about it in just a second. I'm gonna write the headquarters, one female, beginning mileage 111704.
I'm an escaped prisoner.
No, that's the way they titled it when you jumped out of the car.
He said, get out the car and call your sister. I just stepped out the car. I just stayed.
And that's all recorded too.
Escaping is running away from you guys. Didn't run away from you guys. I stayed right in front of you guys.
You were kicking at him with your feet.
No, I was getting him off of me. That's not kicking at him.
Well, kicking at him trying to get out of a car is escape. So that was a bad decision. But anyway, again, that's between you and the arresting officer.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime.